Hello everyone! Get ready because we're about to go on a super fun counting adventure. Today we're going to learn all about one and more than one. Okay, let me ask you a little question. Do you know what's different between having just one thing and having many things? It's okay if you're not sure, because that's exactly what we're going to find out together today. Let's do this. All right, to start things off, how about we play a little game? I call it the counting game. And guess what? It all begins with the number 1. You ready to play? I bet you are. Let's go. Okay, have a look here. What do we have? It's a big, colorful ball. But here's the important question. How many balls do you see? Go on, count them. You got it. It's 1. Just 1 ball. What a great start, everyone. So, remember, when you only have a single thing, we call that 1. All right, let's try another one. Ooh, look at that. Yummy. Can you peek inside this jar? How many sweets can you count? It's okay. Take your time. Did you count them all? There are 5 sweets. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here's the really cool part. 5 isn't just 1, is it? Nope. 5 is more than 1. And you know what? There's a special word for that. Whenever we have more than one of something, we call it plural. Can you try saying that? Plural. It sounds fancy, but all it means is more than one. Super simple, right? Okay, now things get really interesting. We're about to learn about a magic letter. Seriously, it's a letter that can turn one thing into many things. Abracadabra, just like a magic trick. So, what is this magic letter? Are you ready? It's the letter S. That's right. For almost all the words, if you want to go from one to many, you just pop this magic little S on the end. It's the easiest magic spell ever. Let's check this out with some things you see in your classroom every day. Okay, look. 1 pen becomes many pens. 1 book turns into many books. What about 1 chair? It becomes many chairs. And 1 bag becomes many bags. See that? We just added that little S and poof, magic. Wow, you guys are getting so good at this. I think you're ready for another game. But this time, it's your turn to guess. Let's see if you know how to use our magic letter S. All right, question number 1. Here we have 1 cup. But what if you have lots and lots of them? What do we call many? Take a second to think. Cups? Yes, that's it. You just add the S. 1 cup, many cups. See? You're a natural at this. Okay, let's do one more. This is fun. You see 1 key. But what if you have a whole bunch of them for all different doors? What would we call many keys? Keys! You got it again. 1 key, many keys. You are a master of the magic S's. Go on, give yourself a big round of applause. Okay, now, sometimes the magic S needs a little bit of help. There are some words, especially words that end with a sort of hissy sound, like S or sh. For those words, we have a special rule. So here's the new secret. You have to listen to the sound the word makes at the end. If it ends in a sh, ch, or x sound, we don't just add S, we add es. And that just helps us say the word nice and clearly. Let's look at some examples together. See here, 1 bench becomes many benches. We added es. 1 box becomes many boxes. And 1 glass becomes many glasses. Can you hear that es sound at the end? Benches, boxes, glasses. That's our special ES rule doing its job. You guys have learned so much today. It's incredible. And now, it's time to use your new superpowers in the real world. I have a very important top secret mission for you. I need you to become a plural detective. Okay, detective, here's your mission. Step 1. Look all around your classroom. Step 2. Find things that are just one. Step 3. Find groups of things that are many. And for step 4, the final challenge. Try to make a list and see if you can use our magic S or our special ES in just the right place. So, my last question for all you amazing detectives is, how many plural words can you find? Look everywhere. The desks, the windows, the books, maybe even brushes. The whole world is full of things to count, both one and many. I bet you'll find tons. Good luck on your mission.